Hey, nice to meet you guys. So far we have been studying those countries that end with 国 because 国 just means nation or country, right? But we have some other there are countries that doesn't necessarily have the 国. So okay, let's start. You can see three columns. The first one obviously is written in Chinese characters. The one in the middle, that's Korean. And last one, English, of course. So if you look at the first one, it is said 英格兰, Korean, they say England, England. And finally, in English, it's England. So we know that the part where I highlighted blue is supposed to be in Chinese, 란, in Korean, land, and in English, blood, right? Okay, so Scotland in Chinese, 苏格兰, Korean, Scotland, Scotland, and in English, Scotland. Finally, um, let's start with English here. In English is New Zealand, but in Chinese is 新西兰, and in Korean, New Zealand. Okay, pretty straightforward, right? Again, England and Scotland, they're both part of the United Kingdom, but just took it out as an example. All right, then let's look at some other countries in Southeast Asia. For example, first one, this one over here, 新加坡. They're all first tone, right? 新加坡. So this in Korean, Singapore, or in English is Singapore. Okay, the second one, Malaysia, Malaysia, and in Korean, Malaysia. Final one, Indonesia, in Korean, Indonesia, and in English, it's Indonesia. Again, here, you can see these two characters highlighted in what is it, orange, right? And then, um, in Chinese is Xia, Korean Xia, and in English Xia. Yeah, so just for fun. Okay? Okay, thanks for watching guys. Talk to you later.